Alright, we are here at the Disney Art of Animation Resort. I believe this is Finding Nemo building?
Yeah, Finding Nemo. I think it's building 3.
Got Adam and Riley.
Yeah, Adam's elevators and Floridian elevators.
Yep. And we got some elevators in here to ride.
It's a loft, fortunately.
And we got Otis Series 5. With Series 4 call stations.
Oh, these are newer Series 5.
Yes, they're from 2012.
They got the European
because those
style doors.
Those very thin doors.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these are some of the last Series 5s ever made. Listen.
I like plastic bubbles here.
Oh, nice.
I think these are the midterms of Series 2.
Yeah, this is a pre-newer Series 2 is what I'll call it.
Have you?
There's Adam and Riley.
Hey. Newer Series 5s are fun. Better than the
35-pound capacity.
My opinion, Series 5's kind of boring, but they're okay.
I know.
We're on 1. We'll get off here. We'll do like one of the outside corridor buildings here, and then after that we'll go. And that's gonna be it.